इस पे जाना व्हाट्सएप।
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I was facing some trouble logging in. That is why it took so much time. It was not being logged in. I don't know why. Okay, everybody ready?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, everybody, good morning. Take out your English comprehension books. What we were doing last week in English comprehension, please send me the PDF because I don't have the book.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Beta, I don't know. I'll be teaching you English comprehension, I think, for the first time. I don't know what was going on in your class. What was the last thing you did? Just send me the next chapter.
Ma'am, we were doing chapter 9, the Wizard of Menlo Park. Ma'am, we have to do question answers of that. Ma'am, think and answer.
Yes. So please send me the PDF of this comprehension. Okay, so this was the Wizard of Menlo Park. This is about, it was about whom? It was about Edison. Yes, you all remember?
Yes, ma'am.
This comprehension was about the achievements and the success of Edison. Thomas Alva Edison. Have we done all the question answers? Yes, at the age of 16 in 1876, I remember we have done till here. Now think and answer. Why is Edison's childhood described as a mixed bag of adventures, dangerous accidents, and endless curiosity? Who can answer this question? Okay, children. Who will answer this first question? Why do you think Edison's childhood is described as a mixed bag? Adya Bhatia, can you answer?
Ma'am, I think so, ma'am, Edison's childhood described as a mixed bag of adventures, dangerous accidents, and endless curiosity because, ma'am, at the age of 7, ma'am, his mother, a teacher, took him out of school and started his education at home. And ma'am, at the age of 10, he set up a chemistry lab in the basement of his home, and during one of his experiments, set the basement on fire, nearly blew
Yes.
himself up.
See, it is known as a mixed bag of all these things. Why? Because at the age of 4, he sat on the eggs to hatch the eggs. At the age of 10, he was carrying out some experiment in the basement of his house and he set it on fire. We are going to write it in short. Okay? At the age of 4, he did this. At the age of 10, he did this. Then at the age of 7, he was taken out of the school and he started his education at in his own house. Then after that, at the age of 16, he became a telephone operator and he became fascinated with electricity. That is why his life is known as a mixed bag of adventure, dangerous accidents, and endless curiosity.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write all the ages, ma'am, like 4, then 7, then 10, then 12, then 16.
Don't write it with age, just write to make the answer short. He did this also, he did this, he did this. When he was young, he sat on the eggs to hatch the eggs. Later, he was taken out of the school because he was not studying well over there. Then, while carrying out some experiment, he set the house on fire. Yes, like this. In one line, you're going to tell each experience of his. Children, you will write the answer and send on the class group. Okay, children, time for the next question now. Everyone has done the first one?
Wait for 1 minute. I'm writing.
Okay, beta. What about others? I don't know what others are doing. No one is responding. How will I come to know whether you're doing your work or not? Or you are waiting for Adya to send it on the class group so that you can copy the answer? Hmm? Everybody is waiting for her to send the answer. Okay, now done, beta. Let's move on to the second
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
What is the second question?
Ma'am, the second question is Edison loved to experiment. How did he arrange his labs?
Okay, so what is the answer? How did he arrange his labs? He made, what did he make? He made a makeshift, yes. He set up a makeshift lab in the baggage car. And before that, what he did, he had set up a chemistry lab in the basement of his home. Yes, very good. Write it.
Ma'am, we can write like this. He set up a makeshift lab in the baggage of car, and before this, he set up a chemistry lab in the basement of his home. Ma'am, you are muted.
And after that, after making a chemistry lab in his home, the next lab was he made a makeshift lab in the baggage car.
Ma'am, I have written the answer.
Okay, beta. Now let everybody write, then we'll move on to the next question. What is the next question?
Ma'am, the next question is, do you think Edison was a good student? Why?
Yes. Why do you think he was a good student? Yes. Why was
Ma'am,
he a good
he was
student?
a good student because, ma'am, he always tried new experiments without listening from here and there.
Okay. And he was a good student. See, he was a good student because he had curiosity. He had a lot of curiosity. What he did, he kept asking his teachers a lot of questions. So when you have a lot of questions, that means you take a lot of interest in studying. That is why questions come up to your mind. Otherwise, the students who don't have any questions, do they take interest in studies? No. So by what do we get to know that he was a good student? Because he had a lot of questions to ask. He took interest in studying and doing things by himself. Yes, he believed in doing things, not just by learning, but by doing experiments. Doing a lot of experiments, we come to know that he was a very good student.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written the answer.
Very good. Read it out.
Ma'am, I have written he was a good student because he had a lot of curiosity. He asked many questions and he just not only learned, he tried new experiments that to see that he has understood the concept or not.
Very nice. Very good. Now, Adya, do one thing, beta. Click a picture, send it on the class group. I will correct your work and I also want other students to write these answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it the last question of this comprehension? There is nothing after this question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Shreyansh, Krisha, Advika, Lakshay, Navira. How much have you done, children? Beta, you are going to get these kind of comprehensions in exams also. What are you going to do then?
Ma'am, I have sent it in the group.
Okay. Children, all of you can now please see the answers and copy them down as you were waiting for this only. And I want to see everyone's work. Adya, till then, beta, please send me the next comprehension of the book. Make a PDF and send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Shreyansh Patel, are you there? Shreyansh, Adeshika
Yes, ma'am.
Gundwar. Beta, have you done the work?
Ma'am, just doing.
Yes, do it and send it on the class group. Adeshika. Mishti
Ma'am, I'm
Mishra.
also doing.
Who is Mishti Mishra? Why has Mishti Mishra joined this class? Mishti beta, your class is supposed to start at 12:10, not now. Mohammad Fahad, Advika Gupta, Lakshay. Lakshay, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm doing next chapter.
Okay, thank you so much,
Ma'am,
Adya. Yes.
ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, hurry up and send it. Quickly send it.
Ma'am, I have also shared the PDF.
Your work? Have you shared your work?
No, ma'am, I am doing my work and I have also shared the next chapter PDF to you.
Okay. Children, hurry up and send your work. still I have not got the work from you students. Still I have not got. No one has sent it. Children, I will not start the next comprehension till you will not submit this one to me. Okay, that is all for today. You can move for your next class.